Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Barclays debit card step by step clearly. First, take your new Barclays debit card and check that your name and the card number are correct. Next, find your PIN letter if it was sent separately and keep it in a safe place. Now, make sure you have your mobile phone with signal in case you need verification codes. Then, choose the activation method that is easiest for you: ATM, Barclays app, online banking, or phone. If you want the fastest option, go to a Barclays ATM with your debit card. Insert your card into the ATM the correct way and wait for the screen to load. Enter your PIN carefully and never share it with anyone. Select any simple option like checking your balance to complete the activation. Wait for the ATM to confirm the transaction. Then remove your card when prompted. If you prefer using the Barclays app, open the Barclays app on your phone. Log in with your passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID, depending on your settings. Go to the Cards section, or look for Manage Cards in the menu. Choose your new debit card from the list if you have more than one card. Tap the option that says Activate Card or similar wording. Follow the on-screen instructions and confirm any security step requested. If the app asks you to verify, approve the prompt or enter the code sent to your phone. If you prefer online banking, open a browser and go to the official Barclays online banking website. Sign in using your membership number, username, and passcode, depending on your account setup. Navigate to Card Services, Cards, or Manage Cards in the main menu. Select your debit card and click Activate, then confirm to finish. If you do not have app or online access, you can activate by phone using Barclays' official number. Check the number on the sticker on your card, your welcome letter, or the Barclays website to avoid scams. Call the number and follow the automated instructions for card activation. Enter the requested details, such as card number and security information, when prompted. After activation, make a small chip-in-PIN purchase in a store to ensure contactless payments start working. Wait up to 24 hours for contactless to fully activate if it does not work immediately. If activation fails, double-check you entered the correct PIN and that the card is not damaged. If it still does not work, contact Barclays support or visit a branch with photo ID for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.